Hi there, I'm Samantha Couste. I created Acrylic Arts Academy and have been a painter since my youth. Since 2018, I've been teaching acrylic painting and publishing educational content online. Art has always been important to me. In the middle of building and running Acrylic Arts Academy, I wrote an acrylic painting guidebook. What I'll teach you in essential knowledge for acrylic painting beginners has been informed by my wealth of experience as an artist and instructor. Acrylic Arts Academy and its educational materials will be a fantastic supplement to what you'll learn in this book. Acrylic painting is fantastic, and this book is your complete guide. This helpful book is for those who feel compelled to paint but need help figuring out how to start. In this text, I'll give you all the tools you need to learn how to paint and advance yourself. All this is true without needing to attend art school or take expensive classes. Each section will teach you an essential skill to build your ability to paint and tap into your creativity. My goal is to give you the information you need to get started without overwhelming you with minutiae. I have carefully curated this book to get you painting with essential art concepts that will help you succeed. I formulated the information through my own experience and formal education. This helpful guidebook is for you if you want to learn how to paint in acrylic. Art is essential, and your contribution is significant. So dive into this guidebook and Acrylic Arts Academy's communities to begin your acrylic painting journey today. Click the link in the description below or the card in this video to check out our low-cost acrylic painting guidebook. It's available to you for free if you have Kindle Unlimited. If you like the book, please take a moment to rate it on Amazon. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. To begin your acrylic painting journey, visit acrylicartsacademy.com/free guides.